everybody. It's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. We're going to make some sanitary wipes for my kitchen. And I'm going to show you how to make it. The best thing to start out with is to wash your hands a little bit. But here's what we have. This is 2 cups of water. And I'll show you what I'm doing. 1/4 of a cup of 90% alcohol is going in the jug. I have granite and solid surface countertops in my kitchen and in my bathrooms. So I cannot use vinegar and I cannot use bleach in my on my countertops because it dulls the surface of the stone. This is just a 1/2 paper towel cut and put into a container. And then I'll just pour this over the top. I'll probably make a couple of these because I have the 3 areas that use them. Hey, Linda. And then I'll just go and I'll pull the cardboard out. And there's my wipes ready to use for my kitchen, and I'm going to make some for one for my bathrooms. This saves you on the price of buying disinfectant wipes. Hi, Linda. And finding them. Because we all know these are very hard to find. And in my house, I can't use them because they contain bleach. And I can't use anything with vinegar on my solid surfaces. I can use these on doorknobs, walls, whatever, but I can't use them on my counters. So this is 2 cups of water. I'll do this again. And 1/4 of a cup of 90% alcohol. And the recipe I go by says 2 drops of Dawn dishwashing liquid. But right now, I think we all can agree that we need a little bit more than a couple drops right now, since we're all worried about the disinfectant of everything. And you just push this. This is a 1/2 roll of paper towels. The biggest thing is cutting these in half. You got to use a serrated knife, and I didn't want to do that on the live because me with a bleeding disorder and sharp tools freaks people out a little bit. And then I shake mine up a little bit. I guess you wouldn't have to. And then pour it over the top. These are nice to have sitting on the counter in your bathrooms, on your kitchen, in your kitchen to wipe stuff out. And then you just pour the cardboard out, which this one doesn't want to come out completely. Like that. And there's your wipes. Ready to clean your bathroom. But just an idea, because I know wipes right now are very hard to find. And some of you got alcohol and for making hand sanitizer. For my other video, you've stocked up on some alcohol So I thought this is another use for that alcohol. To make your own kitchen and bathroom wipes. Talk to you later. Hope this helps you come up with ideas on how to make something to sanitize, especially if you have solid surfaces. I can't use vinegar or bleach because of my solid surface countertops. It dulls the look of the stone. So this is one of my hacks for that. Talk to you later. Bye.